Luxury SUVs promise comfort, prestige, and powerful engines. But not all that glitters under the hood is gold. Some engines are literally ticking time bombs, waiting to explode with catastrophic failures. These aren't minor annoyances or routine repairs. You're talking about problems that can leave you stranded, cost thousands in repairs, and completely ruin your ownership experience. Today, SUV Squad exposes 3 luxury SUV engines that have a notorious reputation for failures. We're covering the Ford 5.4-liter Triton V8, the Chevy 3.6-liter EcoTech Wii 6, and the Mercedes-Benz M272 V6. Each of these engines has recurring problems that have left owners frustrated and, in some cases, completely broke. The 5.4-liter Triton powered some of the most luxurious and expensive SUVs in Ford's lineup. Yet it struggles with timing, chain, and cam phaser issues. Where the 3.6-liter EcoTech may seem smooth and modern, but weak plastic timing chain guides make it a disaster waiting to happen. And the Mercedes M272 is notorious for balance shaft and tensioner failures, which can destroy the engine in a heartbeat. Before we dive into the specifics, make sure you subscribe to SUV Squad and turn on notifications so you never miss a warning about engines that could cost you tens of thousands of dollars. Understanding these engines now could save you a fortune later. 3. Ford 5.4-liter Triton V8, 2004 to 2008. During the middle of the 2000s, the Ford 5.4-liter Triton V8 was the crown jewel for Ford's luxury SUVs and huge trucks. It was the engine that powered the Lincoln Navigator, Ford Expedition, and F-150 limited crossover utility vehicles. At first glance, it appears to be rather impressive. There are more than 300 horsepower, a large amount of torque, and a smooth V8 engine that promises effortless towing and highway cruising. However, beneath the surface, the Triton is rife with vulnerabilities that are not readily apparent. One of the most significant problems is that the timing chain and cam phaser have failed. These years saw the introduction of a 3-valve design that featured timing components that wore out rapidly and frequently without any prior advance notice. Unexpected misfires, difficult idling, and in the most extreme situations, catastrophic valve contact are all things that owners have reported. In the event that this occurs, you would be faced with engine replacement expenditures that can easily approach $6,000 to $7,000, which is far higher than the regular maintenance costs. Spark plug blowouts are yet another persistent issue that arises. The original plugs are located deep within the combustion chamber, and if they fail, they have the potential to shatter the cylinder head, which will result in additional costs of thousands of dollars. Moreover, a significant number of Triton engines experience oil leaks around the valve covers or intake manifold. Although these leaks do not pose a catastrophic risk, they do make maintenance more difficult and expensive over time. Even with rigorous oil changes and frequent inspections, the Triton will not be forgiving if the timing chain or plugs fail. Routine maintenance can be helpful, but it is not enough to fully protect the vehicle. However, this does not take into account catastrophic repairs, which are rather prevalent. The average cost of maintenance is between $2,500 and $3,000 for every 100,000 miles driven. SUV Squad tip: if you're shopping for a 2004 to 2008 Navigator or Expedition, make sure the timing chain, cam phasers, and spark plugs have been serviced or upgraded. If they haven't, walk away. This engine is a ticking time bomb waiting to blow. 2. Chevy 3.6-liter EcoTech Wii 6, 10 to 2015. Several premium SUVs manufactured by General Motors, such as the Cadillac SRX, the Chevrolet Traverse, and the GMC Acadia, were powered by the Chevrolet 3.6-liter EcoTech Wii 6 engine. It appears to be a good choice for daily driving and interstate cruising due to its lightweight and smooth nature. However, beneath the surface lies a potentially hazardous reliability issue that many owners are unaware of due to its presence. In plastic timing chain guides and tensioners are the source of the issue at its core. Time causes these components to deteriorate or disintegrate, which ultimately results in the timing chain becoming stretched. Whenever this occurs, the chain has the potential to skip teeth, which can result in valve contact and severe damage to the engine. It has been reported that failures have occurred as early as 80,000 miles and occasionally as late as 150,000 miles. However, when they do occur, the repair costs are astonishing, frequently topping $5,000 to $6,000 to fix the problem. Other common problems include oil leaks around the rear main seal, water pumps that fail, and early degradation on the catalytic converter. These problems may not be catastrophic, but they do add to increased maintenance expenses. In the event that timing chain wear is disregarded, even routine checks might become a source of frustration. It is possible for the average maintenance cost per 100,000 miles to reach between $3,000 and $4,000 if the timing chain needs to be replaced or head repairs are required. SUV Squad Tip: always check the service history on any 2010 to 2015 Cadillac, Chevy, or GMC SUV with the 3.6-liter EcoTech. Ask specifically if timing chain tensioners have been replaced or upgraded. If not, this engine could fail at any moment, making it a gamble you don't want to take. 1. Mercedes-Benz M272 V6, 2005 to 2011. With the Mercedes-Benz M272 V6 engine, luxury vehicles such as the GL450, ML350, and R350 SUVs are available to purchase. At first appearance, it appears to be polished, quiet, and smooth. This is the hallmark of Mercedes engineering. On the other hand, the M272 is an infamous time bomb that is always ticking due to design problems. One of the most hazardous problems is the breakdown of the balancing shaft and the timing chain tensioner. In the event that these components are neglected, it can result in a catastrophic failure of the engine, which frequently necessitates a complete rebuild that can easily exceed $8,000 in terms of both labor and parts. Problems with the oil pump and cam adjusters, which both speed up the wear process and potentially significantly shorten the engine's lifespan, are adding to the complexity of the situation. The fact that owners have reported problems beginning at merely 70,000 to 100,000 miles makes it one of the most unreliable engines in the luxury SUV market category. The other small faults that occur on a regular basis include leaks in the gasket of the valve cover, problems with the intake manifold, and malfunctions of the thermostat. Despite the fact that these may appear to be insignificant, they are frequently an indication of ignored maintenance, which speeds up the most significant catastrophic breakdowns. In the event that complete repairs are necessary, the costs of maintenance every 100,000 miles might easily reach between $4,000 and $5,000. SUV Squad Tip: if you're shopping for a 2005 to 2011 Mercedes GL 450 or ML 350, ask for documentation proving timing, chain tensioners, balance shafts, and cam adjusters have been replaced or serviced. Without this, the engine is essentially a lottery. You never know when it might fail. There you have it, the 3 luxury SUV engines that are ticking time bombs. On the Ford 5.4-liter Triton, Chevy 3.6-liter EcoTech, and Mercedes M272 V6 all look solid on paper, but in reality, they can leave you stranded with massive repair bills and endless headaches. If you're shopping for a luxury SUV, do your homework, check the service history, and don't take appearances over reliability. Choosing the wrong engine can turn a dream SUV into a nightmare. There's also one luxury engine that almost made this list, and SUV Squad will cover it in our next video, revealing what makes it a hidden risk. If this video helped you avoid a potential engine disaster, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell for SUV Squad. Drop a comment. Which of these engines would you never touch and why?